let's just talk about dar. Dar by itself, just the verb, means to give. Okay, to give. Dar. Dame un café. Give me a cup of coffee. Okay, or coffee. Give me coffee. Obviously, por favor. Don't forget that phrase. Por favor means please. Gracias. Thank you. I'm pretty sure you know the meaning of those two expressions. But yeah, dar means to give. Okay? For example, dame las llaves. Dame las llaves. Dame las llaves. So this means give me the keys. Please, por favor. Don't forget por favor. So dame is a command. Okay? It's a command that means give me. Okay? Dame las llaves. Give me the keys. Las llaves means the keys. Las, definite article, plural and feminine. And this one, llaves. Llaves means keys. Now, llaves, the V sound, remember in Spanish, usually Spanish speakers do not say V as in Victor, for example, in English, right? The V pronunciation is similar to B as in bell, llaves, llaves. But don't worry, as I always say, if you say llaves, I mean, Spanish speakers will understand you, but if you want to, to have a perfect pronunciation, just pronounce it like this, llaves, llaves, okay? Excellent. Excellent. Now let's look at another example. Oops, not like that. Not like that. I always do that, sorry. Necesito que me des una buena idea. This is a more complex sentence. Necesito que me des una buena idea. So this means I need you, not double I. I don't know why I have double I there. There you go. I need you to give me a good idea. Okay? So when using dar, you can refer to something tangible or not. Okay? Intangible. So like an idea, you cannot touch an idea. It's not a physical object. So you can use dar for that as well. If you want to, if you want some good idea, if you want someone to tell you some good idea, you can use dar for that. Let's break this down. Necesito, yo necesito, okay? We don't need yo. That means I need. When you say necesito que, usually that, you need to add more to the conversation. Necesito que, usually you have to add a verb or sometimes a pronoun, right? In this situation, we're using the pronoun me. Me means me, okay? So I need you, but in the situation, necesito que me, it's like saying I need me, okay? But the structure here is different. Remember that? This is the verb dar, okay? So we have, we have the verb give, right? Necesito que me des. That whole thing means I need you to give me, okay? Necesito que me des. I need you to give me. So at this point, we can change this. Obviously, it can be about not an idea. It could be about, I don't know, an object. Necesito que me des las llaves. I need you to give me the keys. Necesito que me des un helado. I need you to give me ice cream. Okay. Necesito que me des la hora. I need you to give me the time. Okay. La hora. Necesito que me des la hora. La hora means time, as in when you ask for the time. Okay. What time is it? La hora. The time. Now we have here una, a, okay, buena, good. We're saying buena and not bueno because we're talking about an idea, okay? Idea, la idea, that's feminine. It's a feminine noun. Therefore, you need a feminine adjective, okay? Buena idea. In this situation, buena idea, it's kind of peculiar because in Spanish, usually you have the noun and then the adjective, okay? In English, you have the adjective and then you have the noun. But sometimes in Spanish, that works to have, adjective and a noun. So in this situation, it works when you say una buena idea, a good idea, okay? If you say una idea buena, necesito que me des una idea buena, it kind of works. But when talking about an idea, usually you have the adjective before and then idea, okay? Mala idea, bad idea, okay? So that's important to remember. There's some tricks, I know, when learning Spanish. Sometimes you cannot follow the grammatical grammatical rules because there's exceptions, and this is one exception. So when you're talking about ideas, you have the adjective and then the noun idea, okay? Idea. Buena idea. Good idea. Mala idea. Bad idea. Okay? Mala. Oops, not malo. Because remember, idea is feminine. Obviously, you're not going to ask for a bad idea, but I just want you to know how to spell mala idea. Mala idea means bad idea. Esa es una mala idea. That's a bad idea, okay? Esa es una buena idea. That is a good idea. That's a good idea. But yeah, it's interesting how that works. But remember this first part as well. Necesito que me des means I need you to give me ... whatever you want or whatever you need. Someone, if someone needs to give you something, you can say that for sure. Necesito que me des ... I need you to give me ... Okay, so excellent. Dar. Remember, guys, dar means to give. To give.